Income tax debt. You might have heard that bankruptcy can forgive income tax debt. And then you might have heard other people saying you can never be forgiven income tax debt. Well, the people that told you you can be forgiven it are right. Every year I get rid of hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of income tax for people, and I enjoy it, and obviously the people I do it for enjoy it very much. How does this work in bankruptcy? Well, it works by a simple formula. First of all, it can only forgive 1040 debt. That's personal income tax. Bankruptcy is not going to forgive corporate income tax or penalties or things such as that. It does forgive personal income tax for years older than 3 years. What does this mean? This means you can't get forgiven for this year or last year or the year before, but anything older than 3 years where you have filed a tax return and you owe tax debt is forgiven. There have to be a few other little conditions met, such as you have to actually have filed a tax return. Sometimes people call me up and say, I didn't file any taxes, but I'd like to be forgiven my tax debt. Well, that doesn't work. You have to file a tax return. Also, you can't have made any deal in the last 270 days with the IRS, because if you have and they are looking at your tax debt right now, I have to postpone your bankruptcy for a couple of months. You can still get forgiven it, but you'd have to wait a little while. Anyway, for more on this topic, give me a call and I'll personally answer your questions. I give a free consultation. Tell me about your tax problems. I'll tell you whether they can be forgiven or not. Thanks very much.